there folks, and welcome along to Manchester Oxford Road. And as 195132 arrives in the background working the 1153 Northern service of Manchester Airport through to Windermere, we see the departure of 185 115 working the slightly delayed 1147 Transpennine Express service from Redcar Central through to Manchester Airport. Arriving next into the station 4 minutes late is 197 103, working the 1151 Transport for Wales service from Llandudno North through to Manchester Airport. Arriving next into the station is 195 119, working the 1156 Northern service from Windermere through to Manchester Airport. Arriving next into the station is 331024 and 331019, working the 12 o'clock Northern service from Liverpool Lime Street through to Manchester Airport. Departing rather unusually off platform 3 is 185 110 and 185 139, running 5 minutes late with the 1202 Transpennine Express service from Manchester Airport through to Redcar Central. Arriving next into the station is 185 140 and 185 129, working the 1209 Transpennine Express service from Liverpool Lime Street through to Cleethorpes. Whilst departing in the opposite direction is 331 101, running 13 minutes late with the 1157 Northern service from Manchester Airport through to Liverpool Lime Street. As 331026 and 331031 depart in the background 7 minutes late with the 1206 Northern service from Manchester Airport through to Blackpool North, we see the arrival of 323227 and 323226, working the 1213 Northern service from Blackpool North through to Manchester Airport. Arriving to terminate with a northern service off of Wigan Wallgate is 150-128 and 150-146. Departing over on the far side 7 minutes late is 185-127 with the 1211 Transpennine Express service from Cleethorpes through to Liverpool Lime Street. Next out to depart 6 minutes late is 802-206 with the 1225 Transpennine Express service from Manchester Airport through to Edinburgh Waverley. Next out to depart 5 minutes late is 150-146 and 150-128 with the 1227 Northern service through to Southport. Arriving to terminate with a northern service off Liverpool Lime Street is 150-138 and 150-123. Next arriving into the station is 158-854 and 158-812 with the 1239 East Midlands Railway service from Liverpool Lime Street through to Norwich. Next out to depart is 331-015 and 331-020 with the 1237 Northern service from Manchester Airport through to Blackpool North. Arriving into the station 7 minutes late is 323-233 and 323-220, working the 1243 Northern service from Blackpool North through to Manchester Airport. Next out two departures 15123 and 15138, working the 1246 Northern service through to Liverpool Lime Street. Out next two departures 197103, working the 1248 Transport for Wales service from Manchester Airport through to Llandudno. And to finish off the session here at Manchester Oxford Road is 397009, running 29 minutes late with the 1224 Transpennine Express service from Glasgow Central through to Manchester Airport. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the two videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.